Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word casi algo in depth. First, the definition. Casi algo means a Spanish phrase meaning almost something, indicating near completion or occurrence. Think of it simply as a puzzle almost finished but missing one piece. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Casi algo combines the Spanish words for almost and something, and is used informally in Spanish-speaking regions. Over time, it's been used by speakers in everyday conversation. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use casi algo in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She said the project was casi algo finished, but needed a few more touches. Correct example 2. The movie is casi algo ready for release, but the director wants to add a scene. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to casi algo my breakfast, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using casi algo correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Casi algo means a Spanish phrase meaning almost something, indicating near completion or occurrence. It comes from the Spanish language, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with casi algo down in the comments. Get creative, and if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.